Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. In Baltimore, where homes are exposed to humid summers, chilly winters, coastal moisture, and changing seasonal conditions, windows tend to wear out faster than many homeowners realize. While some issues are obvious, others develop gradually and quietly impact comfort and costs. Knowing the warning signs can help you decide when it's time to invest in new window installation before small problems turn into expensive repairs. Here are the most common signs your Baltimore home may need new windows installed. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. If certain rooms feel noticeably colder in winter or warmer in summer, especially near windows, drafts may be to blame. Older windows often develop gaps due to worn weather stripping, frame warping, or settling over time. Signs include cold air felt near windows in winter, warm air entering during summer, rooms that never feel comfortable, constant thermostat adjustments. New windows seal tightly and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout your Baltimore home. Rising energy bills with no clear explanation. If your heating and cooling costs continue to increase even though your usage hasn't changed, inefficient windows may be contributing to energy loss. Older windows can allow heat to escape during winter. Let hot, humid air inside during summer. Force HVAC systems to work harder. Installing energy-efficient windows helps reduce heat transfer, easing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering monthly utility bills. Condensation between glass panes. Some condensation on the interior glass surface can be normal, but fogging or moisture between panes is a clear sign of window failure. This happens when the seal around insulated glass breaks. This issue indicates reduced insulation performance, increased energy loss, a higher risk of moisture damage once the seal fails. Replacement, not repair, is usually the most effective solution. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If they stick, jam, or won't lock properly, it's often due to frame damage, balance failure, or long-term wear. Common issues include windows that won't stay open, sashes that are hard to move, locks that don't engage securely. In Baltimore's humid climate, swelling and corrosion can worsen these problems over time. New windows restore ease of use and security. Excessive outside noise. If you hear traffic, wind, or neighborhood activity clearly through closed windows, it may be a sign they're no longer sealing properly. Older windows often lack multi-pane glass tight compression seals. Modern sound dampening materials. New windows with insulated glass significantly reduce noise, creating a visible damage or deterioration. Physical damage is an obvious sign that window replacement is needed. Baltimore's weather can accelerate wear, especially in older homes. Watch for cracked or rotting frames, peeling paint or bubbling finishes, warped or soft window materials, water stains around the frame. These issues can lead to moisture intrusion, mold growth, and structural damage if left unaddressed. Outdated appearance. Hurting curb appeal. Windows make up a large portion of your home's exterior. Old, mismatched, or deteriorating windows can make an otherwise well-maintained Baltimore home look dated. New windows refresh your home's exterior, improve architectural balance, increase property value and buyer appeal. This is especially important if you're considering selling in the future. Increased humidity and indoor discomfort. If your home feels damp or sticky, especially in summer, failing windows may be allowing moisture inside. Poor window performance can lead to increased indoor humidity, reduced comfort, potential air quality concerns. New windows help keep outdoor moisture where it belongs, outside. Your windows are over 15 to 20 years old. Even if issues aren't obvious, age alone can be a factor. Window technology has improved significantly in recent decades. Modern windows offer better insulation, improved moisture resistance, enhanced durability. Replacing aging windows can proactively improve comfort and efficiency. Knowing when it's time to upgrade. If you've noticed drafts, high energy bills, moisture issues, noise intrusion, or visible wear, your Baltimore home may be ready for new windows installed. Window replacement isn't just about fixing problems, it's about improving comfort, protecting your home, and increasing long-term value. Recognizing the signs early allows you to invest wisely and enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and attractive home for years to come.